So you guys remember when I said that it may be 2021 before I go and get the engine from the machine shop because it's done. Well, I'm happy to say it is 2020 and we are going to get the completed short block of the K24 from the machine shop today. It just worked out that way. I'm glad it did. So we're gonna stop and get some gas real quick, and we are going to head north. So don't really know what else to say. I'm just gonna let you guys continue looking at me and cue the intro. Go or no? There we go. I pulled over because the truck started acting super weird. It started just kind of like jerking, and I didn't start filming it or anything. I was just like, I need to pull over right now, because my first thought was the transmission. Like that's the first thing that I kind of thought, because the RPMs were acting super funny. And like I'm parked right now and it's running. The truck is running, and well, that's neat. It's blinking on the camera. Must be one of those. Anyway, it just started bucking, kind of like it was having issues shifting or something like that. And it's a 6L80. You know, they're supposed to be much better than previous Transits by Chevy. And I checked the transmission temperature, and it was like at 200 degrees. And I think normally I see it at like 180. So it wasn't like a huge jump, and it didn't climb any higher than that. Well, I pull over because my first thought was, oh, this thing has just pissed its transmission fluid and I'm about to destroy the torque converter or something. I pulled over here at the parts house, and the fluid's fine. It doesn't even look bad. It's still like a wonderful, like kind of caramel color. Like it doesn't look bad at all. There's no burning smell. There's no nothing. Every now and then this truck will kind of hiccup, kind of like it's got a small misfire or something. You know, maybe it's just becoming a more prominent issue and getting a little bit of power loss there. But I'm just going to keep on trucking and see if it gets any worse or gets better, or if it throws a check engine light, because no light came on the dash. Nothing happened. It was just driving funny. And I've driven this thing everywhere, you know, literally all over the South. So anyway, just going to keep on trucking here and just see what happens, and I'll let you guys know. Wow, painted lines for people to park. Amazing. Truck didn't really act all that weird. I mean, it still kind of acted a little funny. I tell you what I did to kind of fix it a little bit. I just floored the son of a gun down the highway, hit about 90, and it hasn't acted up since. So I mean, we'll see how it goes. How y'all doing?
Good, how are you doing?
Doing good. Ooh, is that yours?
The truck?
Yeah. Have you ever had issues with it shifting funny?
Yep. Yeah, there's the old mains. Pistons. And the engine here.
Awesome, cool.
The crankshaft, I'll still have it next door, but
Okay. Well, I'll get that. Yeah, there we go. I need a cameraman. Ugh, I need to hire somebody. Probably be a minute, but I'll get back in touch with you when I pull the head off. Here, I was thinking about like valves and stuff. Aaron told me that a lot of guys using like Mitsubishi's and Honda heads, they're kind of moving towards Super Tech. I was kind of wanting to go for Ferrea, but in your opinion, do you have?
I've seen both.
Yeah.
Both of them are really good. So.
Yeah. Okay. Well.
Super Tech's pretty nice. You can't go wrong with Super Tech.
Okay, that's what I wanted to hear, because I'm able to find their stuff easier than Ferrea. I'm kind of having to like go to different places and try to piece like the seats and the valves and the springs together. There's a couple places where I can get the springs and the valves all in one set, but Super Tech, it seems so much more readily available.
Yeah, they make something for every import.
Gotcha. So, I mean, as long as they're good. So.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Definitely good stuff.
I'll probably just go with their stuff then. Oh boy, this thing's heavier than the whole dadgum block. All right, everything in there, good to go. Oh, hello. Dang, look at them RPF1, son. Most, if not all, my audience just rolled their eyes out of their dadgum heads. I love RPF1s. I don't care what none of you guys say. After I don't know how long, we finally got everything back in the garage, and we get to put it back on that eventually.